Well, I was looking for artwork for my own home. And I mean, the painting you see at the background, this is my first painting, the Arabic calligraphy painting. I was looking for artwork, and all the work I could see, the artwork, Islamic art I could see, is either with black background with gold writing, or they had like plain background. It was very traditional type of artwork that I saw, I could find. So I had art experience. So my husband said, why don't you make a painting? You know, you can paint one. So that's how I started, you see, that's how I did the painting. And this painting you look at, it was the font. This is where I discovered Maghrebi script as well. This is the first time I saw Maghrebi script, and I was right. I just fell in love with it as soon as I saw this manuscript page with Maghrebi script. This just attracted me. And this is the calligraphy you see at the background. This is influenced by Maghrebi script, and the background is influenced by the holiday I had in Egypt with my husband. So this is just like a memory. And these are the type of work I used to do before. So I used to have like more of it had like backdrop with this one has a seascape, so I would have like landscape or a flower or things like that. So, and I would have a calligraphy on top of it.